Today is going to be a special day for many zodiac signs. Read today's horoscope to know about the impact of the position of the planets on your life. Note that this information has been compiled from the internet and the channel does not claim it to be 100% true. Aries, today can be a bit challenging for you. An unexpected incident may occur in the workplace, but you will have the ability to handle the situation. Act wisely in relationships, prevent any small differences from growing. Be a little careful in terms of health, avoid taking too much stress. Taurus, your day will be enthusiastic. Luck will favor you in new tasks. You will get the fruits of your hard work in the workplace. There can also be positive changes in love relationships. You will spend more time with your partner. Health will improve, but take care of your diet. Gemini, today will be a mixed day. You will be able to solve the obstacles in work with your hard work and thinking. It is important to maintain mental peace, as you may feel a little irritable. You may meet an old friend, which will prove beneficial for you. Cancer, today you will use your hard work and time properly. You will get success in some important work in the workplace. Love relationships will improve, your partner will be with you. There may be ups and downs in health, so focus on light exercises. Leo, your day will be very active. You will start new tasks and will get benefits from it. Your contribution will be appreciated in an important meeting. Understanding will increase in relationships and you will spend good time with your family. Health will also be normal. Virgo, your hard work will pay off today. Your efforts will be appreciated at the workplace. You may get some good news related to children. There will be progress in love relationships as well and understanding will increase between the two. In terms of health, light rest is necessary. Libra, today can be a little stressful for you. Some problems may come in the workplace, but you will overcome them with your confidence. There may be emotional changes in relationships. Keep in mind that you express your thoughts clearly. Be cautious about health. Scorpio, today you will get success in whatever work you do. You can get a new opportunity in the workplace. There can be a new turn in relationships. Love will depend. This day will be good in terms of health, but keep in mind that you do not tire yourself too much. Sagittarius, today will be a happy day for you. You will get success in work and people will praise you. There will be balance in love life. A special person can come close to you. There will be no major problem in terms of health, but avoid too much mental stress. Capricorn, today you can get some new direction in work, which will be beneficial for your future. You will easily solve the difficulties coming in an old task. There will be a change in relationships due to your wisdom. There may be minor problems in health, but you will recover quickly. Aquarius, today will be a positive day. You will get the full result of your efforts at the workplace. A special person in relationships will encourage you. There is a need to pay a little attention to health, but you will remain fit normally. A situation of profit is being created in business. Pisces, today you may get help from an old friend or family member. You will spend a good time at work and some new ideas will inspire you towards progress. You may feel lighthearted in terms of health, but it will not be a serious problem. Disclaimer, this information is obtained from the internet. Our channel does not confirm its 100% authenticity. Today's horoscope ends here. We hope it will guide your day. Do share this information with your family and friends. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support is important to us.